Benefits of eating oatmeal every day. It's fortunate that medical professionals advocate oatmeal as a healthy breakfast, because you can do so much with a jar of oats. You may consume them hot, soak them overnight, bake them into bars, or muffins, or even include them into waffle batter. In addition to its delightful variety, why do health experts recommend oatmeal as a standard breakfast food? How does a simple bowl of oats affect your health in the long run? Here is what science has to say about oatmeal consumption on a regular basis. You may feel full longer. Oats are an excellent source of fiber, an indigestible carbohydrate. As fiber slows digestion, you will feel less hungry for a longer amount of time. Consuming fiber-rich foods helps prevent blood sugar spikes and drops, while lessening feelings of hunger. Having oats for breakfast, or incorporating them into other dishes, is a terrific way to give the meal more staying power and help you feel content for longer. 1 cup of cooked oatmeal has 4 grams of fiber, or 16% of the daily value for fiber. You'll have an easier restroom experience. Oats contain a unique sort of soluble fiber, called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan generates a gel-like consistency in the digestive tract, which helps keep things flowing and keeps you regular. This helps to thicken up your stool, making subsequent bowel movements easier. Combining your oatmeal with sources of insoluble fiber, such as unpeeled sliced apples, almonds, or blackberries, might help keep your digestive tract moving and make later trips to the bathroom simpler. Your risk of heart disease will be reduced. Beginning your day with a bowl of oats can help your heart in more ways than one. Oatmeal, due to its high fiber content, can help lower bad LDL cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar levels, and even lower high blood pressure, all of which play an important role in lowering the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. The bacteria in your gut will thrive. Oatmeal is also a prebiotic food, which means it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Having a healthy gut microbiome, also known as your gut microbiome, will strengthen your immune system, improve your mood, digestion, and aid in illness prevention. A systematic research, published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2021, discovered a correlation between oat eating and increased beneficial bacterial groups in the gut, making it a gut-friendly and heart-healthy breakfast. Incorporating a diverse range of plant foods, such as oats, is also excellent for gut diversity, which is an important part of gut health. You'll have an easier time managing your weight. Together with these advantages, studies reveal that this popular meal can help with weight loss and control. According to a review published in Foods in 2021, oat beta-glucan has beneficial benefits on hyperglycemia, blood lipid levels, and weight loss. Oatmeal's fiber content is filling and satisfying, which can help you eat less calories throughout the day and manage your weight. Beta-glucan may also increase the release of peptide YY, a satiety hormone generated in the stomach. Did you hear about the oatmeal cookie orphan? No one's raising them. What it all comes down to. So, the high fiber content of oatmeal, plus the fact that it contains prebiotics, may be beneficial to your health in more ways than one. If you include oatmeal in your diet on a regular basis, you may reduce the chance of developing certain diseases, improve the health of your digestive tract, have smoother bowel movements, and feel fuller for longer periods of time. If you're ready to kick off your day with a bowl of oats, you're in the right place. Stay Stay healthy, and live to tell the tale. Eat oats. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.